Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aditi and I really hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this makeup look with this hair tutorial. And this look is for Onam festival. Yes, Onam is coming. Actually, many festivals are coming this month. So I'm here with this Onam look, which is like really traditional with this jewelry, the gajra, the red bindi, this golden white combo saree. And I really hope that this video is kinda helpful for you. So if you want to know how I attained this look with this gajra also, then please continue watching. I'm going to start with prepping my skin and I'm using the same Colorbar Argan oil. Next, to make my makeup last long, I'm using this primer from Lakme. And to neutralize my darkness on face, like my dark circles or my mouth area, I'm using this peach shade lipstick. Next, using this damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it. For foundation, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation and I'm in the shade F6. Now using this packed beauty blender, it is little damp also. A damp beauty blender really helps you to, blend your foundation really easily. For concealer, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and I'm in the shade C6. Mini beauty blender, I'm going to blend it. And now using my Bharat and Dorris loose powder, I'm going to bake my eyes and cover my whole face with this. My under eyes are baking, I'm going to do my eyes. So using this Naked palette, next I'm going to cover my lid with this color called Smoke. This is like a little shimmery color and is a dark golden color and it will work best with my saree. So I have picked up this color on my Wet n Wild brush and I'm going to cover it on the outer corners basically. Next, taking this bright golden shimmer, I'm going to cover it on my inner corners to the mid of my eye. Lower lid, I am taking the same Smoke sparkly brown shade, golden brown shade, to my lower lash line. Next, I am going to add some kajal on my top lash line and the lower lash line. For my brows, I am using my Nykaa eyebrow pencil. Next, I'm going in to add some eyeliner. Now time for mascara. It's up to you if you want to add some falsies, but I want to go sober today, so I am going in with my mascara. And for that, I'm using this Wet n Wild Lash Extension Mascara. you see the difference between my two eyes? This is what this mascara makes a difference. And it's time for contouring now, and I am taking this contour shade from my broken Sivanna palette.
Yes, this is how it looks like now. So anyway, using this contour shade,
for blush, I'm going in with this broken Sivanna palette and this peachish color.
I'm going to just overdo it, and yes, I have overdone this.
Time for highlighter, and I am trying, I haven't tried it before, though I am trying from this Naked palette, this shade as my highlighter.
Let's try.
Lipstick, I'm going in with a red color, and for that I'm using my Nykaa MATTE-ilicious in the shade Call Me Scarlet. It's been a long time that I have used this lipstick, so yeah, really missing this.
Why not today?
This look by adding a red bindi. And now for my hairstyle, I'm going in with this gajra. So there are a lot of things you can do with your hair. So first you can simply just let your hair be like this.
And this is like the most easiest hairstyle you can do. So yes.
But if you want to go in with like some traditional look, so you can add some gajra. And how? So there are a lot of ways you can add gajra. First, if you want to, just do like this. Adding this clutcher to secure my hair. And now you can add this gajra. And now secure this. So I really like this look also. If not this, then you can have a side bun which looks like really traditional. So take the mid partition and take this front section of your hair and secure it like this. Do the same thing with the other side too. And once you are done doing this, grab all your hair, gather them into one side like this and make a rough bun. And I'm securing this using a clutcher. And it really doesn't matter if it is messy because we are going to cover it with this gajra. And now start wrapping your gajra around this. now using some new pins, I am securing this gajra with my bun. And you are done. So this is a way easier than any other bun. I really feel like I took just 5 minutes to do this. So I have dressed myself in a white golden combo saree, which is like really Onam kind of saree. And now completing this whole look by adding some traditional accessories. That's it with this look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my tutorial. And if you do, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And I will see you in my next video.